live and living.
Why you put the chairs like this and I'm not even in the scene?
Alright, well, come in the scene. I think this is... Jeez.
I think this is what do you think this is? This is Tuesday. Is it tricky? You're with me. This is my show.
How you feel now? You're in it?
Oh, man.
Saying, yo, this is Skinny Fabulous inviting you to this Jamaica weekend for the first time I join our breakfast party.
Alright, Skinny Fabulous. Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky, where we take your mind off of what's going on outside the closet and bring you in here for an hour of fun, fabulousness, and frolic. Today we will soon be going live. We're just setting up ourselves here, but we are sitting in some stink. Not because I emptied the garbage bin.
Joe!
Tracy did a little poop. Like, pregnant people are allowed to poop, but Tree.
Well, I didn't know it was going to stink. It literally sounded like this.
Pop. It was a little bottom pop, and it's so pungent, man.
Sorry.
It's just honestly.
Maybe it might be because of the 2 bagels I ate.
Tree, it's a really stinky little poop.
So I found this bagel shop, right? It's so delicious. So I had an egg, cheese, and bacon bagel. And then, as if that wasn't enough, I went and I ate a cinnamon and sweet cream cheese bagel. Like, oh my god.
You finished the cream cheese, the sweet one?
Yes, Jodi, that's what I told you.
Tracy, I thought you know I like cinnamon. I thought you bought it from me.
I did, but you were taking long to get to it.
Trace, that doesn't mean that's how you create a thief.
No.
Tracy,
I
honestly,
didn't steal it.
you did.
Jodi, it
You
sat
bought
down
it
there,
for me.
and I even cut it in half. I had half and left half for you, and then you sat there for 30 minutes.
Tracy did not sit there for 30. I was waiting to have it because I'd already had another bagel and I was full. Like, how many goddamn bagels can one eat?
Apparently 2. Okay, I'll have to get you another bagel. I'll have to get you another. They're
Jeez.
so good.
Damn hog, honestly. Now you make the Wi-Fi run out.
Well, that's why my poop stink.
Alright guys, we're going live now over on Instagram. Jodi drinks is right. I'm behaving this week. Oh, I know what I wanted to do this week, huh? How do you, oh, there we go. Goes with my tattoos. Hi guys, hi Joe. Joe is here. Kiki's in the house. Oh, my fan page. I haven't been in touch with my fan page for a while.
Hi, Kiki. Hi, Lulu. Ah. Shanae. I see her before. So anyway.
Alright guys. I love you too. Alright everyone, welcome to another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky, where we take your mind off of what's going on outside the closet and bring you in here for an hour of fun, frolic, and foolishness. We were recording our YouTube for on my nice brand new camera. So make sure you check out what we're talking about in Tracy's poop.
Sorry.
Tiffany, today I'm drinking a mango blueberry and it has lots of pieces of mango. Mango is now in season. It has blueberry and it's sweet and lovely and it's whiskey and I'm feeling good.
Yes. So, I wanted to start off this week's conversation with talking about
talking about.
Actually, I wanted to start talking about table manners. Like, let's talk about table manners. I feel like it's something that's like, or manners in general. Like, so let me not say table manners, manners in general. I feel like it's almost a lost art. You know?
Yeah, I agree.
Because, I mean, like, when you're walking down the street, you know, and you're with a guy, do you know that you're supposed to be then on the inside of the sidewalk so that, like, if a car come and lick you down, like, it don't lick you first, it lick him? And like going up the stairs, he's supposed to be behind you, and coming down the stairs, he's supposed to be in front of you.
So those, I didn't know about the stairs one, but little things like that I kind of learnt with having a son, because those are things I want to teach my son.
I feel like we learned that with Timothy. Remember, we wouldn't go into stores unless he opened the doors. We'd just stand there.
We would just stand there. Like, how do we get into this business place? I wonder how. And poor little Timothy, I feel struggling to pull the door. And also too, like, don't go in a lady's handbag. I'll be like, yo, Levi, bring my whole bag. You know, like, you want money, you want... want something, a tissue, bring the whole bag.
Yeah, Scott will never go in my handbag.
That's good
never. Never. But and I feel like table manners is also something that needs to be revisited in a lot of households.
Yeah.
So that people know what, like, making certain noises is not polite at the table.
Or scraping the plate. And something I've noticed, although he can use a knife, Sean doesn't use a knife. Like, I think it's good that when we sit down and we have dinner time, like, it's not just like a sit and a try and shovel in as much as you can, but more of like a take your time. It's not running away. There's seconds, you know, and let's just, you know, chew and chew without smacking. I don't need to hear what's going on inside your mouth factory, you know.
Oh my gosh.
Table manners plays a big part in respect.
Who said that?
Nyla Henry. That's really good.
Nyla?
Yes, that's great.
I love that.
Mm-hmm.
Scott's gotten into the habit of doing this thing after he eats now. Listen. I'm like, brethren, if you need to do that, go to the bathroom and take...
Poor connection. Let's go over to... Let's come off of Wi-Fi. Did you sell doing me bad again?
Poor connection again?
And we're on Did You Sell?
Oh my God. Somebody says, Jodi, what's happened to your nose?
Guys, okay, I'm doing a different style today. I've always loved a septum ring, okay? I've always loved a septum ring. So I have my septum ring. I have my tattoos. My hands aren't dirty. I got like tattoos here. Okay, this is my UFO. This is my anus. This is an alien. And this is a shooting star. And this is a barcode. Okay?
All of them look like one big black blob.
Because they didn't come out right, but it's fine.
Somebody's asking what you're drinking today.
Today I'm drinking some mango and blueberry with whiskey. But I think it's... So what I was actually need to put this in a glass. I got some real...
So anyways, I was thinking that I'm going to start an etiquette class. Do you think that you would send your children to an etiquette class with Auntie Tricky?
Do you know that I went to an etiquette class? Guess who my teacher was?
Who? Lisa Hannah! Oh my gosh! Yes.
So I think it was, I don't think it was a class. I think it was, I went to a summer camp and she came in to kind of give us a little finessing. So, yeah.
Yeah, no, for sure. So Brie Bell says she would. I think we need to get back into manners, man. Manners.
I'm getting what on my dress?
Jodi, do you have diamonds in your teeth? Yes, she does have diamonds in her teeth.
Yeah, yo. Expensive beer around here. We did it in school. I don't remember what it's called. It's called etiquette. Tiffany, we did etiquette in school. I was at Pegasus years ago with Lisa Hannah. I can't remember if I was at Pegasus. I think it was at Immaculate Summer House, you know. I can't remember.
I don't remember.
When people wash their hands and wet down the entire bathroom. It's rude to show half your underwear about the place. Unless it's carnival.
Oh my gosh. Citrus darling.
Is Remy back from school? Remy is back.
I hate when the boys wear their pants down low and show their underwear.
It's actually started... Or it
was.
was.
We've said this many times on the show.
Really?
Yes.
In prison?
Yes. I hate it too. Shout out
St. Jude's Primary.
Hi, Passion.
Hi, Stevie. Hey, from the UK. Ah, this is nice. I really like the bits in here, but I need to put it in a glass. This would be really nice over ice. Look at that mango.
Yeah.
This is actually my first mango for the season. Everybody, welcome to mango season. Yes, it is now mango season.
I haven't had my first mango yet. I thought you have Bombay downstairs?
I have Bombay, I have Julia, I have East Indian. Somebody says, how do you eat spaghetti? So, depending on which side of Italy you are from, there's two different ways to eat spaghetti. So, the first way, it's not correct, is you take your fork, right, and you swirl the spaghetti onto the spoon. So you're using the spoon as a base to kind of swirl the spaghetti into a nice round little rolls onto your fork. The other way to eat spaghetti is, what's the other way?
Without There's no other way?
Yes, without the spoon.
In Italy?
Yes, there's two different ways. One you use a spoon, one you don't use a spoon.
I don't know about that.
If I'm at a restaurant, I try and do the swirling and I use a spoon because it looks all fancy. However, depending on if it's like a thicker noodle, I'll just cut it up. But then also that too just looks like I'm a child. So just eating smaller portions of spaghetti, trying to roll it on the fork and spoon. So, but yeah, you can choose whether you want a spoon or no
Miss Beck
spoon.
says she's trying my sweet potato shepherd's pie. Did you guys see me yesterday?
I actually tried one of your recipes. So the one where you were frying the chicken in hopes and dreams. So I did try that,
You
but
did?
instead of I fried it in proper sesame oil, and then I used a sesame mixture for sesame chicken.
Flex Chick says she questioned me about rinsing the meat yesterday. She hopes I wasn't offended.
When you you rinsed the mince meat?
No, it wasn't me that rinsed the meat. It was somebody. No.
What,
Flex Chick, it takes a very lot to offend me, you know. Like, seriously.
I saw those
Somebody
comments.
said that they rinse their red meat before they cook it because, you know, it's just like they don't feel like it's okay in the styrofoam. It's just at one piece. So they said they don't do a big rinse. They said they just take the meat
And
as
rinse
one
it
big
off?
hole and do like a rinse on the front, rinse on the back.
So maybe like to get off the blood?
And she said it was to get off the blood. And I said, which I've never done, but I'm going to try because I agree with her. It's just one styrofoam.
But then you know what I would hate? If your mince meat is fully defrosted and you rinse it off, you may lose a chunk in the sink.
Yo, yeah, it's
You can't win, you can't win, you can't win.
Yeah, Flex Chick. No, I wasn't offended, but I love when people give me their little
Is there a non-alcoholic of the Lady B? Of course, you can. Sean? What's that comment there? Yes, you can ask for non-alcoholic drinks. Lady B Mixology was actually at one point mixing up Tracy her mocktails. But I think, what was it? You just don't want to have she doesn't want to drink her calories.
Yeah, I prefer not to drink my calories because I've been eating so much lately.
And somebody asked, I don't know how to answer this. So it was, what's your favorite Lady B Mixology?
I love her white rum and her tequila mixes.
There was one was it the peach one? There was a peach one, a lychee one. And I have to ask her because she's so sweet. She messages me after every show. She's like, hey, how do you like it? And I give my 100% honest feedback. There was one I wasn't too fond of. But I think out of all the times I've had a drink there was one I wasn't too fond of, and it was because it wasn't my favorite fruit.
What's that?
It was the cherry.
Oh.
Yeah. I think it was a cherry. It wasn't anything that she did because she doesn't make cherries. God does. But I liked it. Which one was it? Peach time. Yes. Thank you, Lady B Mixology. I think that was that the first time I was having time in a drink?
Yeah.
Oh, that was a shocker.
But man, that time she sent over those margaritas. Oh no, that is the one time I can honestly say that I really miss drinking. Remember when she sent it over and I was like going wild?
Oh yes, that's when you could drink 9 months ago.
No, so when I couldn't drink and she sent it over and I wanted to drink it. Anyway, yeah.
Lady B needs to be in the grocery store, man. I agree.
I know. She actually has her ciders and they were available at Simo's for a while, the place in Barbican. But yeah, Lady B does need to be in the grocery store. Lady B. Where are you at? Not the grocery store.
Not the grocery store. Yes. Lady B Mixology right here today, coming through with a mango blueberry with lots of mango inside.
If you guys missed my cooking show yesterday, I did a shepherd's pie. I used sweet potato on the top. I would love if you guys tried it and then took a picture and tagged me on my Instagram so I could show the world that people do my recipe and try it and tag it over.
Love a good mojito. Let's make some mango mojito. Haha.
Yeah. Whew. So anyway, what else I wanted to talk to you guys about today? Oh, so I wanted to ask you guys a question, right? I'm not getting into the argument of who wants to take the vaccine and who doesn't want to take the vaccine. Like, quite honestly, that's a very personal argument. All I'm wanting to get into is the argument of, when you've taken the vaccine, is it necessary to post a picture on your social media page?
But it's like 2 years ago when you worked out, you had to post it. You know what I mean? 2 years ago, if you worked out and you didn't post it, it didn't happen, right? Nowadays, if you got your vaccine and you have a YouTube channel and you did not do a vlog on it, it doesn't count. You are not protected. If you came into 2021 without a YouTube channel, you now say nothing.
Well, we're saying something.
We're saying something.
We're saying something.
We are saying something.
I hope we're saying a lot.
We're not. We're saying almost 8,000 a lot.
I don't know. I just feel like, geez, man, I don't think it's necessary for you to be posting this right now.
So, I did
Like,
think about it. And
vaccinated.
I thought about it and I was like, oh, maybe I'll do a vlog. And I'm like, no. Because you know what? Everybody's going to do a vlog. And it's going to be like, everybody is vaccine day. Like, I don't know what they... And then there's certain people who, they left out a little part of their story. Like, oh, they're borderline. And anyway, let's not get into that. But, you know.
Shada
call your links.
says that it's to encourage other people to go and get vaccinated.
True. Okay. I guess, like, you remember the gym and everybody was like, oh, God, man, if I see one more gym post, 5 pounds down,
I feel like I just want somebody to post their credit card. Like,
they get paid
and
to
back.
promote? Definitely not. Not the vaccine.
I want somebody to post their credit card front and back, and then I will definitely use it. Like,
Sure.
I will use it.
Jodi, you did Born on the Line? I sure did. The line was very long. Very, very long. And my skincare regime was just not having me stand up in the sun.
I know.
Sorry, the sun is too hot. You best believe me, call somebody. Sorry. See my friend up at the top. Hi, boo. Long time no see. Want a drink? Want me to bring it up to you right now?
Russell Adams says, what's your thoughts on pregnant people getting vaccinated? I'm going to stay out of who gets vaccinated and who does not get vaccinated. I think it's a personal choice and everybody should do what they think is best for them and their families. I personally, if you're asking me what I have chosen and what I have done, I personally have not chosen to get the vaccine due to the fact that I'm pregnant and I will not be getting it while I'm breastfeeding. And then after Stevie's off of the breast, then I can think about something else, knowing that I want to breed again. I can think about it. But it's not something that I want to do while I'm pregnant or breastfeeding.
Agreed. Agreed.
And I don't think that anybody should tell you, oh, you have to get the vaccine or you don't have to get the vaccine. Like, you don't have to do anything in life except die. That's the only thing you have to do. Okay, you don't even have to pay taxes.
I don't think they're vaccinating pregnant women. So there is a vaccine in the States. Is it Moderna? Oh no, I think it's AstraZeneca that they're saying is safe for pregnant women. So I think if they know that you're pregnant out here, they won't vaccinate you. But there is a vaccine safe for pregnant women. The vaccine isn't approved for pregnancy or breastfeeding persons though anyway.
Oh, okay. See it there?
Okay.
See it there?
See, just waste 10 minutes of your time, girl.
Yeah.
You just a chat.
I like it.
Chat. Yeah. Chat, yeah, girl.
Yeah. Yeah, and then I think there are some concerns about fertility and being vaccinated. I don't know. I haven't really done much research on it.
Can I iron my hair? No. You know what? Because if I iron my hair, I would have to like stay here in the AC. As soon as I go outside, it's just going to freeze. And then I'm going to
I think Jodi looks prettier with curly hair.
Anyway. Yeah, yo, I look. My head looks so long with straight hair. You know, this is the crown God gave me, not the color, but you know, I think I just.
When are we gonna color your hair?
All right, let's do it next week.
I just asked you today.
All right, let's do it next week
On the show?
Yeah. You guys want me to color my hair for you next week, or Tracy?
Well, we're just gonna do the roots and like I'll just do a couple highlights in the front, like re-up the highlights in the front. Yeah.
Okay, so we'll do my hair next week.
We have something.
They're vaccinating pregnant women in Canada.
Canada be wilding, you know.
No, Canada's wilding.
Canada's wilding.
Okay, no more vaccine talk.
Okay, my girl, but the weather in Boston yesterday, it was snowing and today it's 73 degrees. Like, I just don't understand.
Boston is bipolar.
Yeah, dude. Like, how is that? Like, oh my gosh, people over there must be going to get sick.
Alright, guys, so stay tuned next week. I'm going to do a side-by-side. You remember the thing I showed you with the pop-of color hair?
What you put on your nose today? It's like a whole different color than the rest of your face.
So I've been working on my foundation. So today I used the Fenty. I bought this one on Sephora.
Yeah, but we don't like that.
We don't like that one. I went into Fontana and they gave me they fit me. It moves too much on my face. And this is my all-time favorite.
So that doesn't answer the question that I said.
So I put a little bronze on the side of my nose to narrow my nose, you know. And then I put some like highlighter on the top. I've been watching some Jackie Anna. Jackie.
No, you need to fix that. You know, it's like a different color altogether now.
What do you mean? Like it's too dark?
Yeah, and it's like a different color. So just put more stuff on it, because that's gonna make it.
Yeah, just put. I'm lighting it down. Are you gonna get an epidural tray?
What's that epidural?
Oh yes, thank you very much.
Oh, sorry, a pregnancy
After we do
talk. What?
Are you gonna get an epidural?
Yeah, of course.
So I wouldn't call myself a reporter, but in the journalist field,
I'm a footballer, so tricky watching Jodi like a hawk. Nothing can pass her. But you know what? The truth is that Jodi loves to be such a perfectionist with herself. And then I just like don't really give two parts. I'm just like, okay, whatever. So I always look at Jodi to be like, what are you doing now? Like, what are you doing now to your beautiful self, Jodi?
no. Well, I just find that right now we're not able to shop, but if you have a talent or if you have like a special skill, and if you don't
Jodi
use
says,
it, I'm not
no,
done.
we're not able to shop. A while ago, Jodi just bought one whole heap of things and was just like, none of these are working for me, Tracy. Do you want them? Like, yeah, hell yeah, I want them. Jodi shops for me, you know. Jodi gave me this dress. Jodi gave me all of the clothes that I buy.
Exactly. But okay, so I find if you have a skill, if you don't use
Jodi's
it,
skill
you
is
lose
shopping.
it. So okay. And stealing out Sean's credit card. It's like, you know, it's a skill. But I found that every Tuesday I'm able to kind of like sharpen my skills with using makeup or trying out different makeups. I've been ordering from Sephora every time they have a sale every week. And no, not every week. And just kind of, you know, okay, let's do this bronze eye. Let's do a different thing with my liner, my shading, my this, you know. Let's get tattoos this week. Let's do a nose piercing. Let's wear a wig. So, you know, just playing around with it and, you know.
She's excitable.
Yeah. So, but anyway, I do see a couple comments here about Michael Sharp. He passed away this morning,
believe that.
and you know, I worked at RJR for a bit. You know, Business Access TV. No, sorry, RETV was under the RJR umbrella. And working as a journalist, you know, he's someone in the same field. So I just want to take a moment to, you know, acknowledge Michael Sharp as an amazing journalist and newscaster, and you know, I hope that he sleeps in peace. It was a big loss for all of Jamaica. I mean, you turn on your TV in the evening and,
so
it's
young.
Michael, and he's young, you know,
65
so
or so.
I hope that he rests in peace.
Me too. He was handsome. I mean, easy on the eyes.
Okay, well, we're doing a rest in peace. We'll talk about how good looking he is after.
Sorry. I didn't mind watching the news.
I know it's nice when your newscaster is handsome.
It is.
It makes a difference.
It
And he had a
does.
nice voice too.
He did.
He'll be missed. He'll definitely be missed.
And he always had this copper complexion, like he went to the beach every Sunday kind of vibe, you know?
He'll definitely be missed. So rest in peace, Michael Sharp.
Oh, I can't believe it.
It's just every day you wake up and it's something else, you know. And it just really, it's so funny to me how people are like, oh, coronavirus is just a flu, you'll get over it, it's the same amount of deaths. And I'm like, no, it's not. It's over 1 million deaths in Europe. Like, why is anybody saying this is a common cold? I think, you know, some people maybe need to take this a little bit more seriously. Anyway, back of the corona.
Bashment, I just read your comment that you want to buy something for Stevie. So send me your comment into my DMs, Bashment, because I'll have to give you the address to send it to. If you want to send something because you don't see it on the registry, I have to give you the address. So send me a comment to the DMs and I'll send you the address. Thank you so much, Stevie. Oh my gosh, did you guys see the picture of Stevie's clothes hanging on the line?
So cute.
Oh God.
All of them wash and everything is hanging out. It's like 1 million clothes, you know, but because they're so close together.
So cute. Oh my gosh, yeah. Tomorrow I'm sending out my thank you cards.
Why have to make it sound like such a chore? Tomorrow.
I
is the
didn't
day.
know I'm getting breathless nowadays.
Oh.
Oh my thing is getting better, my pups. Feeler.
She toughy, man, or what's she doing there? Stevie, what are you doing? Do you have on a panty?
Yes, I do.
Oh.
It is a nice panty too.
Just as I'm checking, digging into your vagina.
My pups is getting better though.
It is, thank goodness. You are going through a rough phase, eh?
Yes.
A shooting just happened in my nearby neighborhood in Long Island, New York.
Oh wow.
Yo, everybody's going crazy. Everybody's going crazy. So let's take your mind off of that. That's what we are here for. Let's talk about something else. I need to take some.
Stacy JJ, asked me how much months I am. I am 8 months, so I'm 34. I'm 34 weeks. I have like 6 weeks left. But let me also tell you guys something, right? I mean, I'm not this kind of person who, well, all of you know, pregnancy hasn't been something I've been like, how great. Anyways, so I go into the shower and I massage my breasts under the hot water just to help start the lactation. You didn't do that?
No. What do you mean? Massage your breast to start the lactation?
Yeah, like I'm in the hot water and I do this.
Girl,
to like...
you just horny. You know what I used to do though?
But anyway, so yesterday I saw a little Milky.
What, Tracy?
Yes, I saw a little Milky.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
It's like, how?
Because I'm rubbing them up.
Are you supposed to do that? I don't even think you're supposed to do that.
Yes, you're supposed to rub them up.
My fake tattoo. So here's a
Her fake
barcode.
blob, it's not even cool.
It's a barcode here. And then I
If you have
have
to tell people what your tattoo is, it doesn't make sense.
an alien there, a shooting star there, my anus there.
What is your anus? Let me see.
Well, I don't want to tell anybody about their anus. So this is my anus.
Oh.
And then a spaceship. So a long time ago, let me show them to you. So it's by this company called Inkbox, right? And a long time ago, their thing used to be.
I don't think you should be promoting
Definitely,
Inkbox right now.
I don't think anybody would buy it as a promotion after seeing my tattoos. So it was like an old time kids tattoo where you put the cloth on and it would transfer. So they've kind of rebranded now. So it's not a cloth, it's like this sticker. And you stick the sticker down and you leave it for an hour. And I just wanted to give them another chance, but they bleed out so much. But I have these other three, so you will see me wearing them because we're not gonna waste them.
We'll see more blobs on
We'll
her
see more
today.
blobs. But I'm actually thinking of getting like a little UFO. Like, I think this is kind of cool. You don't think so?
No.
You don't think so?
No. Fitzroy says it's awful. Don't ever do it again.
Like a little, like, I like it.
Fitz, that's the best comment you've ever said.
Okay, Fitz, what if I got like a bullion cube tattoo right there?
Then he'd probably like it. Oh.
You guys are horrible.
So anyway, I wanted to also talk to you guys about something else, right? So I was gonna save this for Tricky Score now, but I was gonna save this for Tricky. It was an Inkbox brand that she used, but I'm gonna ask it as a question to everybody. So at what point do you? The question was, hold on, sorry.
So the tattoos aren't real. They'll wash off in like a week or two. And the septum ring can come out. Guys, it's just a part of my look today. Okay, I want to try something different.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
So
sorry,
what
hold
point-
on. I'm getting shouted at. When will the picture be posted from the photo shoot? So I'm doing an entire video, and the photographer, I won't release who the photographer is yet, but he's still working on the pictures, which I'm actually, please remind me again, at the end of this, I'm going to message him because I haven't even shown Tracy. So
You got back the picture?
no, not yet.
Oh.
Somebody said get a shopping bag tattoo, like right here. I think I should.
Please stop.
Like the Amazon
Do
A.
not encourage her. Just get the Amazon brown box. Can't believe they changed their icon to that ugly brown box. Dude.
You're going to see everything, guys. You're going to see the photo shoot. You're going to see the behind the scenes footage. You're going to see why we chose that photographer, why we chose that theme. Where you're going to see everything. You're going to be given 100% full access from 5 o'clock in the morning. So don't worry. You'll get everything.
You guys, you have to go over and subscribe to our YouTube channel and like it. Anyway.
Anyway.
My
we're
next
trying.
cooking video is going to be epic.
We're just, I was saying to
I
Trey,
didn't burn the house down, but I did burn the food.
but still post it.
I have to because I can't just keep videoing things.
And don't post them. But the thing is that you're not a chef. You're showing people what you do. So I think it's okay to post even the mistakes.
Well, there's a lot of mistakes.
Post them.
I do.
Tracy, why Scott never kissed you? He was miserable. He came out miserable.
So busy.
But you know what I do understand? Like, we have so many people that like watch us, that interact with us, and it just doesn't translate into views or subscribers. What are we doing wrong?
I don't know.
Because it's getting a little like disheartening, you know what I mean? Like, I take a lot of time to film the videos, and I'm sure Tracy does too, to put thought into it, to go, oh yeah, oh shit, I need to do my thumbnail, to do a thumbnail, to do this, to do all of this stuff.
It takes a lot.
It takes a lot of time, and then, you know, you send it off to be edited, because Tracy and I are not computer people. And then, you know, we get like 2 dislikes, and it's like, man.
Yeah, Jaminator, he did kiss me in the end. It wasn't with passion though, but he gave me a little 2 seconds.
So please, guys, go and support us.
Scott starting this thing.
What happened to Mecca, Jamaica?
Shut up! I'm trying to talk. Shit, man. Eating chicken batty again. That's why I should have given you the other bagel. It might have calmed you down. So, Scott started this thing in the middle of the night where he wants to share my pillow.
In the middle of the night? He doesn't start there. He goes there in the middle.
Kinda. He went to bed. I went to go wee-wee in the middle of the night as usual.
Annoying.
And Scott's a big guy. Like, he's 6'4", so his arm span, like, from here to here, like, his arm span is really, really big, right? So when I go to the bathroom in the middle of the night, he starts doing this thing where he takes his arms and he puts them, and then he just gets all of the friggin' pillows, and then he like lays down on all of the pillows. So I get back to bed.
So where are you?
Exactly. Exactly. So I get back to bed, and there's like no space in the bed for me, and he has all of the pillows under his hot body. So like, you know,
He has a big body too.
it's big. And so like, you know, when you come back from the bathroom, the one thing I look forward to is a cold pillow, because like,
Yeah, cool off yourself. Cause when you
Yeah.
sleep, you sweat. I have to be when I wake up. I'm like a hot sleeper.
But now Scott takes all the pillows underneath him. So last night I was like, hello sir, hello, give me a pillow.
I'm seeing all the comments with do challenges, do family vlogs. So I did a more vlog style this morning. You can't mess with a pregnant lady and her pillows. That is 100% correct.
Toya, thank you. Thank you. I also
Do fake pranks with Sean. The idiot them love that. I don't understand the prank. The thing is that they're not.
my friends
definitely
say,
fake.
take your pillow with you to the bathroom. Oh my gosh.
You know what I got the other day? I got a beauty pillow.
What's that?
So when you're sleeping, it doesn't matter like if you have Botox or whatever. You're going to get sleep wrinkles, right? Because I was reading up about
in
it.
other words, you just got a satin pillow.
No, it has like a concave thing, so it presses my head here and here, and so it doesn't mush down my face. Because when I wake up, the amount of sleep lines that I have, it looks like I
Really?
was just born. Yeah.
I'm definitely not pretty when I wake up.
No,
Like,
I'm
I
definitely
don't.
not pretty when I'm sleeping either.
I
Sean
wake-
cussed me off the other night, you know. So we went to bed slightly upset with each other. And then, so in the night now, I'm not a big hugger. So I started inching my way over on the bed to try and like hug him, right?
Really?
Yeah. Yo, Sean went to use the bathroom and came back at about 5 o'clock. He's like,
Jodi, could you move over, please? Where am I supposed to lie?
and I was like, Sean, just trying to hug you up.
Yeah, but you never hug him up, so obviously it feels like you're just trying to take
Take
over the bed.
He like, the next day I was like, Sean, what's it? He goes,
Look where you are.
and you were sleeping diagonal. And he was like complaining. I was like, you know.
Yeah, but nobody
Because
wants
he knew
to
he
hug
was like,
you.
he knew. He was like, hug? You? Hug?
Yeah, nobody wants to hug you. When you come in for a hug, we feel like it's a kind of like sneak attack. It's like the Trojan horse.
Okay, true. He's probably wondering what's up.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Like, dude, every conversation I end with Joy, I'm like, I love you. And she's like, okay, bye.
What are you telling me you love me for?
I love you. Fitz, I wasn't showing my pokey. Stevie just did a big kick right here. I thought maybe you could see her foot.
So, okay.
What was that?
I don't know. Maybe I could do like a collaboration with Rushcam. He likes to sing and I like to dance.
That could work. That could work. I like Rush.
Maybe
Cam.
now that I've said it here that he now has to do it, he can't be like, Jodi.
I like Rush Cam. He brings me joy. The best was when he said, Tell me why your last relationship didn't work out without telling me why your last relationship, and then he just starts telling the bun.
Somebody says, if Missy Jodi road me, I go hug her. Please don't. That's so awkward. I feel so awkward. I don't know what I would do. I think I would just freeze. I'd be like,
No.
I don't know what I would do. And then I'd be like, try to be nice, like, hey, are you okay? Are you about to fall? Why are you holding me? Oh. Yes, Rush
But
can sing and I can dance. I'll bring my booty shorts.
So I was saying though, right?
Mm-hmm.
You know, I have not done my mani-pedi in such a long time.
Oh, that's what I'm smelling. Stinky toes. I bet you have cheese in your toes.
You have something in your nose. That's probably what you're smelling.
What do you mean I have something in my... No, Jodi, I will not see you and hug you.
So anyway, the other thing was, I don't know, but how do you feel like local villas have been doing during this pandemic with all of the locals going down to their villas? Do you think that they've suffered like a big loss?
I definitely don't think they've suffered a big loss. I think that now hotels and villas are now charging the price that they should have been charging from day, and they're now more appreciative of us locals. So whereas before the locals used to get some like a squat shot shit treatment, now we are being treated like the kings and queens that we are. So we will now go to an all-inclusive, we'll go to a villa and it's, oh, good afternoon, miss. Can I get you some breakfast? Can I get you some this? You know, they're not just, morning. You know, now we're being appreciated. Do you know how nice it feels to go somewhere and feel appreciated? You know what I mean? You can't take up your hard-earned dollars. You book somewhere and you're just been like, you can't wait for check-in, and then the white tourist comes in and checks in before we VIP, you know, tourista. You know, I think that now we are being respected. We are being, you know, people, the hotel people are looking and they're like, wait, the Jamaicans have money. Yes, we do. And we are bailing your ass out of this pandemic. So I love it. We're eating good food. We are being treated right, and we've always, I hope I'm speaking for everybody, we've always treated people right when we go on our like a vacation. You know, when I this and disrespect about
And we always leave a nice little tip.
We do? Oh yes, I tip. Sean tips. I like to keep my cash.
I tip.
So we're now being appreciated a lot more, which is awesome. And then whereas a villa used to be $1,500 per night, 4-bedroom, now the owner has realized, oh yeah, Mr. Tourist not coming. So all right, cool, let me drop my price to $800 a night, when really and truly that's what the villa is worth. I think it's kind of like the Chinaman way of things. I'd rather keep my villa at a lower price and full. It's like a revolving door. My guests keep coming.
Where's your favorite place to vacation villa wise? Because you've had all nice the villas are all nice there.
The villa I haven't been to yet, and it just looked good.
Which villa is that?
There's two. One that there's Kari's villa. The pictures look good. I can't remember the name of it. Oh gosh, he's gonna kill me. It's in Enquiries. It's not on the beach, but the villa looks really nice. And then there's another one, My Sweet Villa. Jodi Joe and some the big baddie Fashion Nova model. I love her. Just saying, fakeness and all. Love your big baddie girl. Big up to you. She was at a villa, I think in Mobe, and the villa looks so good. All I could think was, oh gosh, I'd take this picture here, that picture there. But I think my favorite villa I haven't been to yet.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, I don't think I've been to it yet. I've enjoyed where I've stayed so far, and you know, but I don't think
Oh my god, my leg is asleep. This is hard. So where are some villas that you guys have stayed at that are really, really nice that you would recommend? I am still dying to go down to Hermosa Cove.
Hermosa Cove, I've been there for the day, you know. They also, Hermosa Cove has a nice restaurant. They got a food award one time.
Oh my gosh, my leg is asleep.
Yes, Happy Hour Villa. I actually messaged them for pricing. I can't remember the prices, but I kind of wanted it to be more of a friend vibe. I was checking it out for like a family weekend, which is great. I love my family, but if you're gonna have a really hot villa like that, you need to go with your friends, take 2 titty picture and them thing there and all kind of, you know. You know, you need something more homely. You need a villa. You need what you call, like you need a cottage for the
Where
family.
DJ Khaled stayed. I know that villa. That's
I know
real
that villa.
Chico.
Yeah, it's really nice, but it's like $50,000 for the week.
And the property is huge.
Yeah, it's nice, but
it's very nice, especially if you
I
want
don't
to
know
get
if
married.
if you want to get married, I don't know if I could spend that per week on a villa. Food is not included with that.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Where else would you guys drink some shot water? Oh, I have water right here. My falling asleep foot. Oh my gosh.
Where did Sandals just post the other day like a over the water? But yo, I want to stay in one of those over the water bungalows.
Me too. Down at White House.
Yeah, but I remember when that those villas just opened up, right? And the Sandals was inviting all the influencers.
And they didn't invite us.
I know.
So upset.
Really upset, man.
Can't believe that.
Can't believe it either.
It's like, when will I ever be able to afford that? They should have been inviting me so at least I could have taken my body pictures. And them time them I did skinny and look good, you know.
Me too.
I
I had the old burst, but I could have made it work.
You used to roll them up.
I roll them. I Swiss rolled up those old little things, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah, over the one. You can imagine the picture would I get them? Or like you know the net that you land, push those.
And I did even say to them, give me one of these villas so that Scott can breed me down there. Remember?
Well, he breeded without it.
Yeah, but I would have been a nicer breed.
Yeah.
Stevie, where were you? Where were you? And now all I have to say is she was made in the consummation bed.
Well, Levi was actually consummated in Sandals Emerald Bay in Bahamas.
So when Jodi got her big new house, right? Scott and I kind of moved.
Yes, US.
Scott and I kind of moved into our apartment at the same time, so we didn't have a bed. So we took Sean and Jodi's old bed.
Yes, Richard.
So it was a bed that Levi was made in, bed Remy was made in, and the bed Stevie made in. So it's a consummation bed.
Levi was made in the Bahamas, and
Why
Remy
Levi
was
have to
made
be-
in Silver Sands.
Really?
Yes, on Mommy's bed.
Oh, so Stevie's the first on the bed then?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Richard Rasclate. Oh, that sounds good. That's like a fancy bag. Oh, Rasclate.
I like it actually.
I like
Richard,
it.
I'm going to use that
Yeah.
now. Rasclate.
Rasclate.
Usually I say Rasta Judge.
Mommy's bed. So we used to own a cottage down in Silver Sands in Trelawney. We were like little country girls. We'd go down to our family house. The Queen of England stayed there when she came to Jamaica, which is how it got its name, Queen's Cottage. And so the rooms, it's not really Mommy's room. That was a room Mommy was staying in for that weekend. But then I left Levi sleeping in our room and Mommy was reading. So I was like, Sean, you can help me with the plumbing in Mommy's room? And I was like, plumb it out. Yeah, we'll plumb it out.
Wow.
Fix the clog. No? Oh, dear Lord.
You clogged it up even more.
Yeah, clog it up with a baby. Wham! Direct deposit.
Yeah, dude.
Somebody's asking if those are contacts.
Where?
In your eye. On your titty.
No, I have green eyes.
I got the good body and she got the green eyes.
I can see the eyes.
That's okay. Okay.
Mommy also wanted to name her Jamaica. Should have named you Jamaica Joe.
Oh, I sorry, I didn't read that question. Alrighty, everybody, is it time? No, we've got more time. We've got more time. I need to take my thumbnail for the YouTube I just filmed. So, did you get a push gift, Jodi? Yes, I did. So with Levi, what did I get? So with Levi, I got this little.
No, you got some jewelry.
Yeah, I got like a little chain from Tiffany's.
And with Remy, you got a ring.
With Remy, I got the canary diamond with the matching earrings. I got the chain. So both times I got a chain, just different types of chain.
I thought you got the chain with Levi and the earrings with Remy.
No, that was a set I was already getting. I had the ring for Christmas, birthday, and then the chain I got for push. Something like that. Yes, I got a push present. Show the outfits, please. Can't wait to show mine.
Well, I don't want anything big. Mine is just a Forever 21 dress. Thank you.
Let me change.
Mine is nothing. Jodi bought this dress to me. It's from Forever 21. It's just cute. We'll dress up next week. I'll dress up next week for you. Oh my goodness, I wanted to lift up my leg to go on the stool, but that was hard. Hi, Leah! Leah is here.
Oh, dream lover, come. Isn't this fabric fabulous? I feel like I'm scuba diving in love. Come rescue me, pick me up, take me down, take me anywhere you want. Baby, now I need so desperately. Ooh, baby, oh.
So weird.
I wish I could sing.
I'm so glad you can't. You're the kind of person who would be singing everything. Good morning, good morning.
No, but
how are you
I sing
today?
anyway. So imagine if I could sing. Like I sing everything anyway. You know what I mean? So I'd be like, hey, channeling Mariah again. Oh, but we actually favor Mariah, you know.
Do you like my hair? I used some different products today.
Looking good, looking good.
I thought it looked really good. I don't know. I don't use any. I just use what Jodi's like. I'm tired of this now, and then she throws it out, and I'm like, and then it's.
You're such a scavenger, you know that? You're really a scavenger, you know. Jesus.
I take it and I start using it. But I mean, like, I don't see why I should buy things when you're throwing things out. Like, it just doesn't make any sense.
One man's trash is another man's treasure. That's how I got my man. So somebody said, have you ever feel like quitting Tuesdays live?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
What, Tracy?
What?
You felt like quitting this show?
Sometimes, yeah. Like when me and you fight.
Goddamn diva. Just wanted to say thank you for all the items that you sent down to St. Vincent. Oops, I think I've added somebody by accident. For your donation. You're most welcome, guys. Like honestly, when I see all the ash and just the devastation.
No, we have ash now coming over to
Not as much as them.
No, but I mean, if we're getting ash here in Jamaica, this is my point. Like, imagine how much ash down there. Like, it's crazy. It's really crazy.
Tracy, you need to start your own YouTube. I'd be the first to watch. I don't understand. Is it that... Oh, let me... Just a serious question. Because I've seen that in the comments. Is it that you don't like me, so you don't want to see my videos? But why would she start her own channel? I feel like you're getting more content. I feel like you're getting more... Like, you're getting like a full package.
Oh, Joe, people like it.
No, but I just want to know because I see where people say... Somebody even said, oh, I like Jodi and her family, but you should start your own channel. What would that do? I don't understand. Because that would mean I manage everything.
I think it's mainly because you chat too much.
But I'm not on your videos. You could just skip past my videos.
No, but right now you're chatting a lot. They want to hear what I have to say.
Tracy's more relatable because she's poor. Just joking. I'm just joking. There goes the dislikes. I'm just joking. You're always saying that in your video too.
What? That we're not rich?
We're not rich, so we're gonna use this. We're not rich.
But it's true. Oh my god. Do you know what, guys? I have so super enjoyed my life being able to live in both worlds, kind of like both worlds, meaning that, you know, Jodi's lifestyle is a lot different from mine, and I'm a minimalist. Like, definitely I'm a minimalist. I don't like a lot of things, and I definitely do try and like do bargain shops or whatever, you know. So it's been very, very funny to me to be able to see what Jodi does and be like, I would never spend money on that. Like, ever. And then, so Jodi just bought some egg tray things for her fridge today. And I come over and she's trying to fit the egg tray things into her fridge. And of course, Jodi has like this $1 million like fridge. I don't know why she even bought this fridge. I could friggin' live in there and be very comfortable. Like, the fridge is huge. And the egg tray, of course, is made for like normal fridges. And so it doesn't fit in her fridge because she has to like use a special order egg tray one. And so she looks at me, she's like, oh, this can't fit in my fridge. Do you want it? And I'm like, yeah. I'm like, I want it. But I don't know. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love being able to see like both sides and live both worlds. It's very, very funny to me.
Me both worlds. You make it seem like I was born into this rich family with like this large
No, but-
2 cubic fridge.
Yeah, but you have it now.
You don't remember when I used to struggle with the little one pantry?
At Glen Abbey?
Yes.
My girl, that was a struggle. That's when I felt richer than you. I was like, shit.
Okay, so I mean, you know.
No,
like-
but if you have it, you must flaunt it. Like,
no,
you guys have-
I don't think flaunt. I don't think I flaunt what I have.
No, I don't think you do either, but I do think that if you have it, you must enjoy it.
Exactly. Good one. Good one. I agree.
I don't agree with bad minding somebody for things that they have or they've achieved in their life. Like, you know, Sean has worked very hard. Sean has done exceptional work. I don't even think he's given enough notoriety for all of the like leaps and bounds that Sean has made.
Thank you, Jodi.
Within the dancehall industry. And if Sean wants to live a certain lifestyle, like I totally agree with him being able to. It's like my other friend, and he yeah, so my other friend, like, he's self-made and he has made a lot of money in his lifetime doing great things at his job. He has 2 cars and they're both pretty cars. He has a fabulous watch. He does all of these great vacations, and I love his Instagram because I feel like it's celebrating with him his hard work. Like,
But
yeah,
some people may look at it and be like,
oh,
it's
he's so
show
flashy.
off.
Oh, like,
Yeah.
dude, he's worked hard for it. Let him
So I
flash
just wanted
it.
to share a comment that Jodi said. Like, you know, why do people keep saying that Jodi's not down to earth and relatable? Who rougher than she? But I think it stemmed from like most of my YouTube videos are very edited in terms of I write down what I want. They're very thought out, you know, which is a part of my personality. I'm very, very organized. So maybe that comes across as being stush. But I mean, if you met me, I don't think there's not a pretentious bone in my body.
No, definitely not.
There's not a
But
pretentious
that's
bone.
what kills me too, that people
Like, think that I'm so stush?
yeah. And actually, when it comes down to it, I think I'm a little more stushy. You remember when we were staying at the Times Square Hotel? Okay, first
No,
of all,
I know. Yeah, bap. I can't manage you too much of a diva.
I didn't even pay for my hotel stay, right?
She complained the whole time until I had to like call Sean to put us in a different hotel. And then when we got to the fancy hotel, Tracy goes, doorman, is anybody gonna open this door for me? It's not gonna open itself. I'm like, Tracy. She's like, no, it's part of the service. I'm like, what the hell? Like, honestly, like,
It's true. At the time that we stayed at Shore Club, and it was Shore Club that we stayed at, and I made Sean change a hotel because there were cobwebs in the Shore Club room, and I was like, I should not be sleeping in here with
meanwhile,
cobwebs.
I would just take a wet rag and start wiping. But anyway, I don't need to prove to anybody that I'm down to earth. I think that's exactly where it stems from with my very edited and fancy videos. But that's okay. I can be the fancy sister. But if you do see me, tell me hi. I'm not stush at all. I'm very down to earth, as somebody is writing, and I appreciate that. I do. Maybe I'm not relatable with like the things that I may film, like my packing my gym bag. I don't know.
You know, one of the favorite hotels
But I'm not
we stayed at was
pretentious
the
at all.
hotel that we stayed at in New York, opposite the cookie store Culture. Remember, I used to go down for cookies?
Oh, that's where I stayed for work. That's where I stayed for work.
It's not
So-
fancy.
And it's fine. Like it's clean. That's the thing. To me, especially if I'm like working, my hotel just needs to be clean. I don't need to have like the airs and
Oh.
graces. I'm cool with that.
Wait, what is this on my
You're
dress?
stereotyped, unfortunately. It's true, but that's okay. You dirt up your dress? What is that?
I didn't come here with. I think that's your tattoo shit.
No, Tracy. I put the tattoo on yesterday. Jodi, you don't need to explain yourself. We love you anyway. It's okay. Like I get it. There's a lot going against me in terms of who I am, who I married, what you see, and you know, unfortunately, some incidents in the past. But you know, it's cool. I have her to balance me out. The poor one.
Excuse me, I'm not staying at the Shore Club. There were cobwebs in the room.
Doorman, this door is not going to open. This time I'm standing behind her like, Lord of mercy. I was waiting for the broke down in the Elephant Man story, Jodi. So I love Elephant Man. Like, I know him now on a more personal level in terms of like, you know, he goes to the gym and you see this personality on stage and you see this personality on the TV in videos, and he's so high energy. I get why they call him the energy god. But then when he comes to the gym and I like ask, because at first you must never judge a book by the cover. I saw him and I was like, Lord, it's going to be one bag of excitement now, and I'm going to bring the one bag of man, and I just want to do my workout. And Elephant Man came, very polite. You know, he was actually my workout partner a couple of times, and we would just be talking, and he did not realize that I knew him from way before, way before. So you see, when I have to start rooks up, I'm like, Elephant Man, back in the day, there was a blonde girl with curly hair, and she used to wear some really I was like, that was me. He's like, what? But just, you know, he's so cool. He's really, really
See,
cool.
everybody's remembering when you said you're going to do the collab with an Elephant Man.
Because I wanted him to cook me the curry chicken food.
Yeah.
I'm going to ask him. I'm going to find out what day
This is what
he's
you keep
next.
saying. Keep promising things and not delivering. The people want Elephant Man.
Okay. All right, cool.
So anyway,
And he's full of vibes, you know. I love him. He comes with his stereo set, and it has a mic, like a karaoke thing. Yo, vibes, you know. Like I love Ellie.
I gave Levi one of those for his birthday a long time ago. You remember?
Plug it back in this weekend.
I think it's up at Nana and Papa's.
Elephant Man can cook. I want him to cook. I've never had curry chicken food. Somebody please remind me. Fitz, can you remind me to ask Elephant Man? He would do it for me too, you know. He's so nice.
So guess what, guys? Right? I do not eat chicken foot.
Where's your suggestion board?
Regina, you can suggestion board. Regina.
What's a suggestion board?
Regina Ruffy. You can send it to me. I check my messages. Jodi barely checks hers.
No, I do check mine, but then I find I start getting into like the messages that I should be answering. I get lost in the ones where like, why did you do this, like a girl, and Ray. And,
I answer
and
my
I,
messages.
and so. But I did answer a message today. So what school? The primary school? Is it Maxfield Park? I was surprised
she read
for you.
for them. Oh, here's a question for me. Tracy, was it hard dating knowing who your brother-in-law was? Like, how did you know who really liked you versus who wanted to get with you to meet Jodi and Sean?
Who wants to date you to meet Sean? That's weird. Like, I guess I kind of overlook who Sean is because I'm married to him. That's weird.
No. So to answer your question, I never really thought that I was any different because of Sean. And I've never really acted any. When I went to Barcelona and I lived in Barcelona, nobody knew that I was related to Sean.
But when I came, nobody knew either. Like, I wouldn't be like, excuse me, can I have a beer? I'm Sean Paul's wife.
Yeah, but I never, like, even when I was at...
And I'm not a name caller.
I think I'm answering the question now. So, like, it wasn't something that I'd ever mentioned or whatever. In fact, I was leaving Barcelona and my girlfriend had Googled my name finally, and she was just like, Trey, what the hell? And another girlfriend came from Barcelona to visit me, remember? And she was in the fridge bending over in her thong getting milk out the fridge, and Sean walked downstairs, Lou. And Lou was like, Tracy, and Lou was my best friend in Barcelona. We still talk to this day. And Lou was like, you never told me that the Sean Jodi's married to is Sean Paul. And I was like,
but she came and stayed at the house, and you'd never know. Like, the house we used to live in, you'd never know. It was like termite infested, like everything in the house, like
Broken.
I painted, everything was broken, like it was very...
It was a house before the big house.
Yeah. So, you know, just we'd humble ourselves and try to save, you know, the pantry was like...
So in other words, to answer your question, I just don't feel like I thought that was a possibility in my mind that somebody would want to do that. You know what I mean? The author of I Pray For You.
Oh, somebody's asking. So I actually read that book out on my YouTube channel. It's a video of me, so you may have to watch it. Did I get another copy of that book? Oh yes, here you go.
She's going to look for it.
When I Pray For You, I always have an extra copy on hand because I think this is a great book to give at baby showers. It's called When I Pray For You by Matthew Paul Turner, illustrated by Kimberly Barnes.
Yeah, Kayla Reed, you remember that joke? But I remember when Levi first came.
Somebody said, I remember that house. Sexy Picky.
You remember when Levi came to this house for the first time and he was like, oh, mommy, when are we going back home? And Jodi was like, but Levi, we are home. This is your new home. And the man put up his hands like such that spin.
So the old house wasn't that bad, but it really needed some renovations. It needed some fixing up. But Sean and I decided that we didn't want to spend money fixing up.
Yeah.
You know, I'd rather spend the fix-up money on a new chair, a new whatever.
And Jodi said to Levi, this is your house. Levi said, and you can have whatever you want.
But the man is so funny. It's like him realize he's like, yo, Brook Life na suit me. This is it.
No, but Brook Life really don't suit Levi. I don't know what you're going to do. So the other day, Levi comes over to my house. He's swimming. He's playing with the neighbors. He's having a great time. So I said to him, Levi, what would you like for lunch? Hear the man now? I guess I'll have sushi.
Like, I'd like my children to be exposed, but not like...
I was like,
Sushi?
I'm sorry, Levi. All right, I'll just have pork chops then.
I was the DIY queen. I am the DIY queen. Like, even today, I'm going to fix my
No, I
bathroom
think
door.
Simone take it from you.
Huh? Simone?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. She's the DIY queen. I'm not the queen. I am able to fix things around my house.
Yeah. Without your batty crack showing.
Without, if you wanted to show, it
Oh my gosh,
comes as a
Scott
surprise.
came the other day to fix Jodi's sink, and Scott's batty crack has never shown except
So
the
much-
time that he was fixing the sink.
So we had to be like, Scott, is it because you're fixing the sink, like plumbing job, why your ass has to be out? Like your whole crack, like your whole, like I can see hole. I see hole. It's right there. Hole is there.
He was
Hi,
like-
hole. Hi. Hey, hole.
I was like, Scott, I don't even know. He did a great job though. I wonder if he could have done the same job without his batty crack showing.
I don't know. I think when you're plumbing your
I
bathroom.
think so too.
Alright guys, so we're coming up to the end of the hour. Plumber's Crack. We would like to say thank you to our sponsors today. Lady B Mixology, she's come through with a mango blueberry. This one has, I don't know if you can see, there's blueberries in there. There's pieces of mango in there. This is my first mango for the season and I am enjoying this. I think I'm going to pour the rest of this over ice. I have a bottle of Prosecco in the freezer. I have a problem. It's a pandemic.
So guess
I just
what?
find drinking is fine.
So guess
Tracy, are you fluent in Spanish?
what? Hells no. I'm fluent in the international language of love.
I'm not fluent in that one.
So in Barcelona, they don't even speak Spanish. Majority of people speak Catalan, which is nothing like Spanish. That's like comparing Italian to Spanish. It's not the same language. So when I was there...
somebody checked out Julie Mango.
Oh, okay, good. The book.
No, Julie Mango is the name of the restaurant that
Oh my gosh, so good. So good.
So
so
we're
good.
supposed to post another picture for Julie Mango and I couldn't because I finished all the food.
Oh, you did?
So yeah, I was like, what am I going to post? The empty plate?
Why you didn't tell me, you know, I'm going to order from her to eat?
You are?
Yeah.
Oh, let me know when you're going to order. I saw something she
supposed
had
to
on there
order
the other day
today.
too, you know, that was really good. I think it was last week, Friday. And she's on ends, so you can order from
No, I'm
her.
going to call her tonight because Scott...
Jodi, cook one day and film it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I will...
Jodi cook.
I do cook. I don't like it. I don't like it. So
Nobody
it's
likes
annoying.
your cooking anyway.
Tracy, what are you... Sean, are you here? Sean? God no. God no.
Jodi, you tried to feed us uncooked potatoes.
Tracy, that was which the other day, Tracy, that was easily 15 years
Jodi,
ago.
that was the other day. If I call Scott right now,
Call Sean.
No,
Call Sean.
Okay, I'm gonna
Call Sean.
I
This is
can't
not
call
even my
Sean.
fault. Call Sean.
I
Sean.
can't call Sean.
No.
I don't even have a number to call Sean on. Can you guys believe
Tracy,
that?
what are you talking?
call me.
Sean, yeah, my dinner last night. He was like, "Oh, this
Which
is
dinner?
so good."
Which
I
dinner?
made sesame
The one
chicken.
God prepared or the one you
no,
prepared?
I prepared it. I even fried the chicken myself in More Than Hopes and Dreams. No, it's all Scott is on your side. He's begging pum pum later. Sean, are you here?
No, Scott. Question. Scott, question. The other day when we were having dinner, did Jodi try and feed us potatoes that were not cooked? Yes or no?
What day was this again?
When she made the salmon and she made some potatoes.
I make a wicked salmon.
Huh?
Some of them never cooked.
Some of them. Okay, not my fault. Could be the
Okay.
oven.
All right. Thank you, babe. Thank you very much.
Whatever.
I
Okay,
love you
like
so much.
one potato was a bad potato
Okay,
in the
bye.
whole
Bye.
batch.
Love you.
Whatever. That's really fucked up of you.
How do you mean?
I cook the best salmon.
You do cook a mean salmon.
So I should have, I made a sesame chicken yesterday. I fried my chicken. It was amazing. Sean was
Okay,
like,
you know what? You also, when I was living with you, you made a very nice broccoli tot.
I didn't
Remember I
that.
used to send you recipes for you to make for me?
So the thing is that like I can cook but I don't like to. So it comes across like even Nana came over yesterday, and when she came over I was like, what? And she's like, whoa. Like I don't like to cook. Like to me it's not a pleasurable like, oh yes, pass the sugar. No, I don't like it. It's hot. It's bad for my skincare, okay? Where is Sean? It's probably on an interview. Great. Can't help me. Where is he?
So anyway, Jodi's cooking is not the best.
You asshole! I can't call Sean because Sean is this is not my phone. It's actually one of Sean's phones. Anyway, I'm going to go because I've been disrespected.
Just find out your strong
I wonder
suits
if I
in
can
other
call,
places.
maybe I can call him from this. He doesn't know this number though.
Just find your strong suits in other places. Like fixing stuff and putting on makeup.
Exactly, which is why I don't cook the dinner. I ask one of
Which
the
is
ladies
okay
to cook
to
the dinner.
admit that you're not the best chef.
I didn't say I was the best.
Like, I'm not gonna sit down here and say I can fix a sink. I can't. You can.
Sean ever cooked for you yet, Jodi?
Yeah.
He ended my call. Sean has cooked for me and
So yeah.
everybody has that number anyway. Sean does Jodi cook. Jodi does Sean cook.
TMVT Marie is saying, stop it, both of you. She's annoyed with us fighting. It's okay, TMVT.
It's okay if the number's showing, guys. He's not gonna answer you. He doesn't even answer me. Same. Anyway, everybody, that's it for this episode of Tuesdays with Tricky, where we take your mind off of my cooking. Okay?
Yeah,
Would you like to come to Turkey? I would. I would stay in Antalya again. We were staying in that
Oh my
hotel that
gosh.
goes around.
I would love to come
The
to
hotel
Turkey.
turns.
But I
Jodi,
just
go and
feel-
go smoke. It's 4:20. I do not smoke. I've given up the smoking unless you want me to
But
smoke
I just feel
some
like Tricky's
salmon.
Corner, I had something good to say for Tricky's Corner today.
Girl, do your thing.
Okay. So I wanted to speak today on Tricky's Corner about speaking up about what you really want in a relationship with a person without being afraid that it will make the relationship end. You know, sometimes like you really want something in a relationship, like you want somebody to do something different and you don't feel like you can say it because you're so scared that, okay, maybe if I say that to Jodi,
Your feelings will be hurt.
or not that you feel like you'll break up with me.
No, Sean not left me.
Sean not left you?
No.
Scott not left me neither, you know.
Oko.
Okay.
Oko.
Just want to say, guys, since that Tricky's Corner wasn't working out, like, I think my pom-pom has gotten swollen with pregnancy.
Yes. Yes. I
It
remember
does?
Yes. It gets bigger. It gets nice and fat. It gets fat and
Dude,
juicy.
I was shampooing my pom-pom yesterday and I was
Wait,
like,
well, what? You shampoo your pom pom? Do you condition it too?
yeah. You know that to soften it up?
I do not shampoo my pom pom.
So you don't condition it?
No, I don't shampoo or condition my pom pom.
What?
No. No, pregnancy pom pom. Yo, pregnancy with Sean, enjoy the pregnancy pom pom. I don't know why when I asked him for the third, he didn't remember that.
Alright, guys. So,
That's about that. Okay, and on that note, yeah. Whew. Go shampoo your pom pom.
condition.
Condition, comb out, braid, plait, blow dry. Anyway, everybody, thank you so much for joining us this week, Tuesday, for another episode of Tuesdays with this one, Tricky. We thank you so much for tuning in, and we hope to catch you next week for another episode. We're gonna try and plan something. I said this last week.
No, that's because I didn't get on
Can you
the
call
guy.
Dr. Darrell, please? We'll have
I
some
did.
questions.
I did.
So what? He's busy.
No, he's going to schedule us in for next week, as well as we have some food scheduled for next week.
So we can talk about pom pom and eat.
Yes.
You know, it's all about eating and pom pom. Alright, everybody, that's it. Goodbye.
Love you guys.
Bye. end